Are your dogs tired of the same old scenery?
Are they prone to running away?
Are you tired of the same boring path every day?
Then do we have a service for you?
Hi, I'm the Pooch Protector.
And I'm the Canine Caper. And we are the Planetary Puppy Paraders! We are specialized superheroes.
Trained to walk your dogs in space.
We'll take care of any super duty.
Toiletry duties that may arise.
Planetary Puppy Paraders provide fresh scenery and exotic paths for your dogs to walk.
Statistics show that a dog is 70.6% happier in an exotic walking environment.
The Planetary Puppy Paraders charge a low rate of 14 easy payments of $5 an hour.
But just think! That covers the air supply and travel to and from galaxies.
With the Planetary Puppy Paraders, your dogs will always be ready for a walk.
From your planet to ours, Planetary Puppy Paraders.